Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Natalie. Today's video is going to be a balcony makeover video or decorate with me kind of deal. I don't know how this video is going to go about, but I hope you guys end up enjoying it. As you know, I have a balcony, and honestly, ever since I was apartment hunting and I found out that this apartment had a balcony, I felt completely obsessed because it is rare to find apartments with balconies here in New York City. So having one, I definitely wanted to not necessarily go all out, but I definitely wanted to decorate it and make it really pretty and cute and like a nice place to chill. So that being said, with my obsession, I ended up pinning a bunch of things on Pinterest, and the more and more I kept pinning things, the more I realized how expensive it's going to be to decorate my balcony how I wish it would be. So I decided to lower my standards a little bit because this is a rental. I ended up asking you guys on Instagram, I think it was, what tile I should go for, and many of you guys were like, don't invest on tiles, it's a rental, blah blah blah. And it's true, because it's not like I'm going to be here for too long. Whew, my arm hurts. I honestly have lost my touch with vlogging, but the way I see it is, since I work from home and I'm here for the most part, I want to make it homey. I want to make it a nice place to live in. I want to make it pretty and just comfortable, you know what I mean? I mean, might as well take advantage of the balcony. So I am not going to be splurging as I wish, but I am going to be, you know, adding a few coins for it to decorate it as I want. First of all, I really wanted tiles for my balcony. I just felt that it was going to make it a lot more high-end and more expensive looking and more luxury, but I came to the conclusion that that was too much money to spend on a floor that didn't necessarily need it, because the floor is okay, you know, it's not the greatest, but it's fine. Like, it doesn't have any it's not bad is what I'm trying to say. So when I asked you guys on Instagram what tiles I should go for, many of you guys recommended the IKEA ones, which would end up being like $300 because of how many tiles I actually needed. And many of you guys were also recommending a rug, an outdoor rug. So I opted out for an outdoor rug, thankfully. Even though I really wanted tiles, I went for a rug, and that's what I'm going for. I still don't know how I'm going to decorate it, what I'm going for, but we'll see, and hopefully it turns out to be a nice one. Let's get started. Alright, so first and foremost is cleaning the balcony, or cleaning the surface that you're going to be working on. I've been neglecting this balcony ever since I moved, so it's extremely dirty, especially since, you know, the winter and everything like that. So I'm going to be extremely deep cleaning this mess. To clean, I'm just going to be using some water and all of these detergents. That little picker-upper is my balcony picker-upper, which is why it's a little dirty, but also make sure to wear gloves, and of course, Fabuloso. We can't forget Fabuloso. To clean, I'm going to start off by clearing everything from the balcony, so bringing in all the small items inside of my apartment and the big pieces, which are my bistro set and chest. I'll just be moving it around as I clean, but first I'm going to be just removing all the dust as much as I can. Now my plan was to just use some water and soap and basically scrub the walls and every sort of surface, the floor, anything, but that got tiring really quickly, and I basically gave up and started just throwing the soap water on the walls and then cleaning it that way. Now, I do want to give a quick disclaimer. There is a lot of water wasted in this video, unfortunately, but at the end of the day, it's my first time deep cleaning my balcony, and I mean, to clean this mess, you truly do need a lot of water. So keep that in mind. I'm not just wasting water, I'm cleaning my balcony for the first time, but I'm just going to be throwing soap water all throughout the floor, the walls, and everywhere basically. I was checking if I ended up wetting anyone downstairs, but I actually ended up wetting my camera. By the way, if you guys guys see my door opening and closing, it was a very windy day, but I'm just going to be cleaning the rest of my floor with the broom and throwing more water.
Awake in my heart, the start of something that would go on way too long. Reminded of you with no searching.
I then went ahead and also cleaned my chest by using the broom and some soap and then some water to rinse it off. Now with the Fabuloso, some water and the microfiber cloth, I'm just going to be passing it around all the walls. Then I cleaned my windows with some Windex, and of course, can't forget the music. Stay till the end to watch some bloopers. To finish with the floor, I decided to mop it, basically to extra clean it, but also to fully dry the floor since I wanted to add the furniture and rug, but I feel like this way it definitely cleaned my floor a lot more. Alrighty, so we are finally done cleaning. I'm now going to start adding all the pieces that I bought, starting with the rug. This one I got from HomeGoods for only $39.99. Absolutely a steal. I love it. I love the shade and also love the fact that it's outdoor and somewhat waterproof.
How could I not when I keep thinking of you when it takes me back to 19.
Went ahead and added my bistro set and also some pillows, but I'm basically just going to be moving around the furniture and see where I want everything set up. So I ended up getting these two ottoman or blow-up ottoman situation that I got from Bed Bath & Beyond. First of all, I absolutely love them, but the struggle was real trying to blow these up, and let's just say I ended up giving up. So after my mini struggle and losing my breath there, I went ahead and picked up after myself and then went to Burlington and found a few more goodies for my balcony. Also, Eric came through and helped me with the blow-up ottomans, thankfully, because there were two. He was a little shook when I showed him that there were two, but I'm so glad that they're ready. They look so nice. I got the leaf one and a nude tan one. We also ended up getting this mini charcoal grill, which turned out to be quite perfect for the balcony. Now, on a different day, I ended up moving the furniture around and also adding this fake moss onto my little area right here, just because I didn't like how it looked bare. And I feel like it added a really nice touch, and I'm just basically figuring out where I truly want everything. And we're finally done. I absolutely love how everything turned out. I feel like it just looks perfect and cozy. The lantern and rug are from Burlington, like I mentioned earlier. The set is from Amazon. I highly recommend for you guys to get like bistro sets or balcony furniture during the winter. I got this one and also the chest during Black Friday on a sale, which was a steal. The pillows, like I mentioned, are from Target. These two little ottomans are from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to be linking everything for you guys down below, so make sure to check the description box. My little planter pot is from Burlington as well. This plant is like kind of sort of dying on me. This little nook area is actually for my AC, which I'm still waiting on a new one, but for now I have these extra pots. My chest, I decided to change it up and put it on this side just because I feel like it looks a lot more spacious that way. This is also from Amazon. I wish I got it black, but brown it is. My 2 lanterns right here are from Marshall's. I put some lights there, and my little grill is from Family Dollar for a really affordable price. Now for my lights, I decided to do a little crisscross situation, which I feel like it gave it a really nice vibe. I drilled some hooks and it installed it really nicely and secured. The lights are from Target originally, but then I needed a second pack and I couldn't find it anywhere, and I found it on Amazon, which I'll be linking down below for you guys. All the way in this corner, which is actually the main entrance, I have my beautiful plants. The pots and actually planter are from Burlington. I just love plants now, especially after I move. I just find it so therapeutic. So I actually ended up planting some seeds here. There's some sunflower seeds and some other plants there that I don't really remember. And above it, I drilled 2 hooks, or Eric actually drilled 2 hooks for me, and we installed these little plants, fake plants from IKEA, as well as this. So yeah, that's pretty much my balcony makeover video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm going to be linking everything down below, so make sure to check that out. And until next time, bye!
Amores causan las chanzas, señalan, se ríen así sin piedad. Pero son rumores, ingenuos, despierta el sarcasmo de la vecindad.
Game like I'm Time Warner. This ain't no Teen Choice Awards, time slide.
Me someto a la ciencia con demonios.